If you're searching for budget earbuds that promise big sound in a tiny package, the Philips TAT1269 might have caught your attention. But after extended daily use, the experience feels more balanced than the marketing suggests. The first thing you notice is the compact charging case, which easily slips into any pocket and feels practical for travel or everyday commuting. Pairing is quick and stable, and once connected, the 13mm drivers deliver a surprisingly wide soundstage for their size, with vocals coming through clearly and bass present without overpowering the mix. That said, audio depth can feel slightly flat at higher volumes, especially when listening to bass-heavy tracks or cinematic content. Battery performance is one of the stronger aspects. The earbuds combined with the case delivered close to the advertised 40 hours of total playtime, making them reliable for long days without constant recharging. Fast charging also proved useful, providing enough power in a short time to get through workouts or short trips. Comfort is generally good for extended listening sessions, though the fit may require occasional adjustment during movement. Call quality is decent in quiet environments, but background noise can interfere in busier settings. Overall, the Philips TAT1269 positions itself as a practical everyday audio companion rather than a premium listening experience, offering dependable battery life, clear sound, and portability, while making small compromises in depth and noise handling that are noticeable but not deal-breaking for users who prioritize convenience and value.